Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area of irregular shapes. In this video we will see how to split up irregular shapes into two or more regular shapes to find the area. So let's look at example 1. Very straightforward shape. All these angles here are right angles and the measurements are in meters. Now we can see some rectangles here, so the trick is to split the shape up into two separate rectangles. So I've put the dotted line there. So those two shapes are exactly the same, but I've split them up into two separate rectangles. So this rectangle here to the left, it's quite easy to see that that's 5 meters by 3 meters. So that's straightforward. This one here, we just have to do a little bit of working out. If you see that length is 6 and that length is 3 meters, that means that must be 3 meters, because 3 plus 3 is 6. Remember, all the angles are right angles. Therefore, this rectangle is 3 meters by 2 meters. So all we do, we add this area and this area together to find the area of the shape. So the area is 5 meters by 3 meters plus 3 meters by 2 meters. That's this area plus this area. 5 threes are 15, so that's 15 square meters. 3 twos are 6, which is 6 square meters. 15 square meters plus 6 square meters is 21 square meters. So that's the area of that shape. This one here is also very interesting, and the angles are all right angles. So you can see there are rectangles here. So look at these dotted lines here that I've drawn. Let's look at this section here. I'll call that rectangle A. You can see that that particular rectangle, for example, is 4 centimeters wide and 8 centimeters long. See? So that's also an 8 there, because all these angles are right angles. So that's 4 by 8. This one here, this small one, you can see that that's 4. See there? That's 4 there. Now, if that length is 8 and that length is 4, then we have 4 here for that dotted length there. So here we have 4 by 4. So that's actually a square. Okay, and there it is there. I put the 4 there, so that's actually 4. And now the last one is actually 4 by 8, which is the same as the first one. So now we have the measurements for A, B and C. So area A equals 4 centimeters by 8 centimeters, which is 32 square centimeters. Area B is 4 centimeters by 4 centimeters, and that's 16 square centimeters. And area C is 4 centimeters by 8 centimeters, which is 32 square centimeters. Area A plus area B plus area C, we just add the 3 separate areas together, and we have 80 square centimeters for that original shape. So this video has introduced us to irregular shapes, and we've seen how to find the area by dividing them up into smaller shapes.